Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video by Retrokid 25. Welcome to my intro. This is the intro to my video, and in a couple seconds you guys are going to be seeing the video that you guys are going to be watching. And whatever that video is, hope you guys enjoy. This is Retrokid 25 signing out. Peace. Woo! Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video by Retrokid 25. In this video, we are going to be playing Build a Boat for Treasure. And in this video, I am going to be building a car. And it's not just going to be any ordinary car. It's going to be a really cool looking car. So anyways, I'm going to pick up the video once I finish building the car. And here you go guys, I finally finished building the boat. It's like an army boat type thing. Okay, and now we're going to launch it. Oh, I forgot to get rid of these. We're still going forward, so that's a good thing. If you guys enjoyed this video and like to see more of this video, if you guys like this video and like to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, share the channel, and comment ideas for my next video. Oh no. Oh, why shouldn't do too bad there? Half of our floor is gone, but we should be fine. Half of our floor is gone, but we should be fine as long as because we got a bunch of seats, so hopefully we should be fine. I hope. Oh, goody. I'm dying. Oh, no, I died. Anyways, so here you go. And this we got a Nintendo Switch, which I built the other day. Anyways, this is Retrokid 25. Sign out. Peace.